Searching for the perfect blueberry muffin recipe? Your search ends here. Today, we're going to whip up a batch of light, fluffy, and absolutely scrumptious blueberry muffins. The secret to their unbeatable texture? Baking powder and oil? Baking powder gives us that airy middle, while a neutral oil like avocado or safflower ensures our muffins are moist but not heavy. Now let's talk ingredients. We'll need blueberries, fresh or frozen, your choice. All-purpose flour is our go-to, but feel free to swap it for whole wheat or a gluten-free blend. Granulated sugar is next on the list. For oil, we're sticking to our neutral favorites, but butter works too if you're after a rich flavor. Add some milk or a non-dairy alternative if you prefer, and an egg to bind it all together. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's dive into the making process. First things first, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. This is your moment to channel your inner artist, creating a masterpiece of dry ingredients. Imagine the flour and sugar as a snowy landscape, and the baking powder and salt as magical snowflakes, infusing the landscape with their leavening power. Now grab that whisk like it's your magic wand and start stirring. Make sure you distribute the baking powder and salt evenly throughout the flour and sugar. Why, you ask? Well, this ensures a uniform rise in flavor in your muffins. We don't want any surprises like a salty bite or a flat muffin, do we? And remember, while mixing, keep it light and easy. Over-mixing can lead to tough muffins, and no one likes a tough muffin. So let your whisk dance lightly through the bowl, creating a well-blended mixture of dry ingredients. With our dry ingredients mixed, it's time to add the wet ingredients. Now add the oil, egg, milk, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients and stir until well combined. This is where the magic happens. By introducing these wet ingredients to the party, we're setting the stage for muffin greatness. Pour the oil, crack the egg, and add in the milk, followed by a splash of vanilla extract. These are the components that infuse our muffins with that moist, tender texture we all crave. Now here's a tip from the pros. Stir until everything is just combined. We want to avoid overmixing, and here's why. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, and nobody wants a tough muffin. So, give the batter a good stir, ensuring that no dry pockets of flour are left. But once it's combined, put that spoon down. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, it's time to welcome our guest of honor. With our batter ready, the star of the show is up next, the blueberries. Gently fold in the blueberries, then divide the batter evenly among muffin cups and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's break that down. Gently folding in the blueberries helps to prevent them from bursting and turning your batter a funky shade of purple. And when it comes to dividing the batter, a trusty ice cream scoop can do wonders for getting a consistent amount in each cup. Next, it's time for these beauties to hit the oven. Baking at 400 degree F ensures a beautiful golden brown top and a perfectly cooked center. Keep an eye on them though, as oven temperatures can vary. To check for doneness, simply insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, they're done. And there you have it. Mouth-watering, golden brown blueberry muffins that are sure to become a new favorite in your household. Give this recipe a try and share your results.